baller. Take one. Action. That's a wrap. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Kay and this is Crime Baller. First things first, before we get into this video, I know I look crazy. Give me a second. If this is your first time here, hello, welcome. I'm so happy you clicked on this video. Make sure y'all hit that red subscribe button down below. Join our team, come sit in our bench. We would love to have you here. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey boo, how you doing? Welcome back. Also follow me on all of my social medias. They be on the screen. If not, they be in the description box below. Y'all know how this goes. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, babe, so as we can tell from the title, I'm gonna do a review for you guys on this beauty here from Hermosa hair. Now this is freshly washed. As y'all can see, she still is wet. Freshly washed, deep conditioned. I even did the hot water boiling method just to kind of soften it up a little bit with some conditioner. But I just wanted to install this baby for you guys and give you an honest review. It's been about, I literally installed this wig January 1st, the beginning of the year, and today is March 16th. So going on through a full 3 months with this wig, and I want to tell you guys about her. We ain't wasting no money all 2023 and beyond. Praise God. Well, I'm going to install her and give you guys a review, but before I do that, I'm just gonna prep my hair. Y'all see these little old crisp braids or whatever. Okay, so I put my wig cap on. I don't really want to do the ball cap method just because one, it takes a lot of time. So I'm just adding a little bit of my foundation to my lace. So let's just hop into the specifics of this wig. I purchased this wig in December of 2022 from Hermosa hair. I purchased it from the actual website and not AliExpress. This is not a sponsorship. Everything that I tell you guys is completely just my experience and my opinion. Always do a disclaimer. If you've had a different experience with a company or a wig, that is completely fine. It's your experience and I can only tell you about mine. Even if this was a sponsored video, like I'm gonna tell y'all the truth and the tea on these wigs because I don't want y'all to waste money, because I would hate to watch a video where someone influenced me to buy a wig or to purchase a product that wasn't worth the money that I'm spending on it. Anywho, back to the wig. I will try to put all of the details for this wig down in the description box for you guys. I want to say that this is like a transparent lace, but don't quote me. Again, all of the details for the wig will be in the description box below. So y'all see how she coming already. I want to say this is a 18-inch. It's pretty short on me and I don't think I cut it at all, so I think it is an 18-inch. I wanted to go for like a grown and sexy type of a bob look. The density is definitely very much like 180, which isn't bad. It's definitely a natural density. If y'all know me though, y'all know I love hair, like I love thickness. So what I wanted to do was definitely add at least a bundle or maybe some tape-ins to this wig just to give it a little bit more fullness. I actually wanted to add some blonde tape-ins to give it that, you know, like Oreo type of effect. I got this Erica J Blue, the new one that she has. I felt like it should have held a little bit longer than it did, but of course I wanted to give it another chance. Also, if you guys do not know, it's no makeup March, so this video and any other video that you guys see for this month probably will not be anything makeup related, glam related, or anything like that. Like I'm not gonna have any makeup on my face. If you don't know what No Makeup March is, definitely take a look on my Instagram as well as my YouTube, and you will see like day one I explain exactly what No Makeup March is. I'll probably link that video down in the description as well so you guys can go check it out if you're interested. So I ended up just taking the cap off because I don't have time. I'm just trying this blue again and hopefully it gives me a little bit something more than what, oh shoot, I didn't mean to do this. Sidebar, I have the skin guard. This is awkward. I've only done one side, so I'm just gonna do the skin guard on the other side and hopefully This is very much ghetto. Y'all just witnessed ghetto-ness. It's okay. That's why we're here. Y'all are here for me, and I appreciate y'all for not judging me. I tried this glue before and it didn't work, so I really truly hope that it gives me something different this time. I will say the quality of the hair is definitely good. I wasn't not expecting the quality of the hair to be good, but I only bought this wig for like $70. When it comes to me and it comes to wigs, I don't have time to be spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars wondering if this wig is gonna be good. Like, I like to catch a wig on a sale. Who's trying to spend all that money? That's why I be trying to find wigs for y'all that are affordable and good quality, because I believe that you can find good quality wigs that are not necessarily breaking you down. And I just feel like, yes, hair is an investment, but at the same time, some of this hair that we're investing in doesn't quite live up to that amount of investment. I know that firsthand. I've purchased from a few companies and the wigs have been $500 or $600, and the wig barely lasted me a couple months, which is crazy. I'm making sure that these sides are down just because I want to put them where I want to put them. And then I'm gonna go in and put the middle down. It might be kind of backwards, but I'm gonna do it today. And that feels really snug. So now I'm gonna go in and just gently lay the rest of the wig over the glue that's already in a foundation. I'm trying to readjust where I want the lace. I'm not pressing it in yet because I want to make sure it's where I want it to be. I'm taking the back of my comb and I'm just kind of pressing the lace into the glue. And low key, it's starting to blend. I do have like a little bit of glue residue around the lace, but I'll show you guys how we kind of get rid of that. I don't know what size wig cap it is. I feel like it's an average wig cap. The wig fits me pretty good. I don't think that I have a big head. Somebody might disagree. And I do have the adjustable straps kind of like crossed, so I made it more snug. Now it's like fitting perfectly. So if you feel like you have a big head, I don't really know, maybe you can reach out to the company and ask about cap sizing. My baby is on in tight. I have this Silhouette Pure Formula Invisible Hold by Schwarzkopf. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't have any got to be glue, so I'm just gonna lay. I'm overseas, y'all, if y'all don't know. And like when I say it be waxing for got to be glued, like the bottle that's in the store, the beauty supply store, CVS, Walmart, is probably like no more, at the most it's like $5. Over here it is like $8, $9. Who is buying it? Because I won't be the one. I'm just gonna spray this on the edges of the lace, make that lace disappear. By the way, this is the natural color that the hair comes in. I believe this hair is body wave, so you guys can kind of see the little wave that it has. I feel like it's just giving me grown and sexy. I don't know about y'all, but like, it's giving me grown and sexy. I have my Erica J Sleek and Sheen finishing spray and heat protectant, so I'm just gonna spray a little bit, not too much, because I don't like oily hair, hate it. Like, do y'all see my eyelashes? Do y'all see my eyelashes? I don't want y'all to talk about me. It's no makeup March. I can't get a refill until the month is over. So this is what we're left with. My hair is not like fully dry because I kind of want it to be a little blown out. Also, I just learned that it's raining outside. So I'm not gonna put too much effort in. Let's talk a little bit about this wig. Like I said, this wig was only $70. It was literally under $70. The hair is super soft. The density, like I said, could be a little bit fuller, but it's okay. Like, I'm not mad at it. It's definitely natural for your everyday type of a person. I'm clearly not your everyday type of person. I did want to go into some of the cons pros. Like I said, I don't know if the lace is HD or not. I think it's like transparent. I don't think that it's medium brown. The lace is pretty thin. I did have to do quite a lot of plucking, like even though I don't really pluck my wigs that much just because they naturally bald, like I did have to do quite a lot of plucking. Baby, is this mine? Yes. Sometimes when I run my fingers through it, I do get caught at the end. I didn't think that it shedded that much until I actually just washed it, and now that I'm styling it, I'm getting strands. I'm not sure why I'm getting strands, but I am getting strands, so I have to let you guys know that. I'm gonna take my comb and kind of comb out my edges. Also, I feel like sometimes you have to do baby hairs to disguise the lace, but I feel like with this lace, you don't necessarily have to do baby hairs. Like, yes, you can see it, but it's not something that my foundation powder or, you know, lace tint can't fix. Using some of the Ruby Kisses tinted lace powder at that and see if it makes a difference. The biggest thing that I did want to tell you guys about this wig that I absolutely hate, and I use that word because I truly mean it. This wig is a 13x4, but it doesn't give me any parting space. Here is the parting space on the side. This is track. This is track right here. This is the parting space on the side. Okay. Middle isn't that bad. Like, this is definitely giving 13x4, but it's just the fact that it stops. Like it's not a lot of the 13x4 space. This is the furthest on this side that I can part. Like, here is track. But I just wish that I could have a little bit more versatility with this wig. I would say that's like probably my biggest con with this wig. Like, look. I just tried to part out a C curve part and I can't because that is track. Because I've been wearing middle part for a while at this point, and I don't want to wear no more middle to lay down these flyaways. Wipe off the extra glue that's on my scalp, and some of it you can kind of pick off, but I don't want to like wipe too hard on my lace because I don't want it to come off. Come on, little flip over. Okay, so the flip over is, it's flipping over. I don't know who cut this wig. Well, they cut it. Like, they cut it to give her body. And because this is the way that they cut her, it gives more fullness and density than the wig actually has. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this oil, not even that much, just a little bit. So I'm just gonna literally rub my fingers through this hair. That's how she's moving. She's giving me everything I need to have, honestly. Definitely in love. I don't want this to be lifted though. I want this to still be flat, but I want this part to be, whew. Yeah, child. Okay.